Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to organize your photos on Google Drive. We all know that collecting digital photos is easy, but organizing them can often feel like an overwhelming task. With countless images scattered across your Google Drive, finding the right picture at the right moment can become a real challenge. But don't worry, because by following a few straightforward steps, you can transform your digital chaos into a neatly organized photo library. Not only will this save you time, but it will also make accessing your treasured memories a breeze. So, let's get started on this journey to tidying up your Google Drive photo collection. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to enter your Google account credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in the main area of Google Drive, where all your files and folders are stored. This might look like a digital jungle now, but will soon bring order to it. To kick off the organization process, direct your attention to the left-hand corner of the screen and locate the New button. Clicking on this button will unlock the ability to create new folders, which are essential for organizing your photos. Once you click, a menu appears with several options. From these, select New Folder. This action initiates the folder creation process, which is your first step towards a more organized photo library. Now comes the fun part: naming your new folder. Choose a name that clearly reflects its purpose. You might want to go with something general, like Photos, or get more specific, like Family Memories or Vacation 2023. Having a clear and descriptive folder name will help you instantly recognize what it contains, especially if you plan on creating multiple folders in the future. After you've settled on a name, click Create. Your new folder will now appear prominently in your Google Drive directory, ready to house your cherished photos. Next, let's shift our focus slightly to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find an icon that looks like a gear. This is the Advanced Settings icon. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, find and select Photos and Images. This setting will refine your Drive search function to show only image files, making it significantly easier to locate the photos scattered throughout your Drive. Now, you can view all your images without the distraction of other file types. With your images in view, it's time to select the ones you want to organize. A quick and efficient way to do this is by clicking on the first image, then holding down the Shift key and clicking on the last image in a series. This method will select all the images in between the two clicks, making it a time saver if you're dealing with a large batch of photos. Once you've selected the desired photos, right-click on any of them. This will bring up a context menu with several options. Hover over the Organize option, and from the submenu that appears, select Move. This is where you begin relocating your selected photos to their new home. A window will pop up, displaying the folder hierarchy of your Drive. Navigate through this until you find the folder you created earlier. Click on that folder, and then hit Move. Your selected photos will now be neatly sorted into their new designated folder. By following these simple yet effective steps, you will have your photos well organized in no time. It's a routine that not only keeps your Google Drive tidy, but also makes finding specific images much easier in the future. Keep practicing these steps each time you upload new photos, and you'll maintain a clutter-free digital photo album effortlessly. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to organize your photos on Google Drive. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.